Kitchen is the heart of the house. One picture which comes to everyone's mind when we think about the kitchen is the place where mother cooks delicious dishes with all their love poured in it. And every kitchen has a little story to tell. But with good ambience and decor, it can even get better. So, this is the most important room in the house, and this place must look beautiful in all the ways.
This is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. Diwali is around the corner and we all have started cleaning and decorating our home. From last few years, this has been my ritual to decorate kitchen every year for Diwali. And lately, I was getting many messages from your side related to kitchen decor. So here I am. What would be the better time for me to share kitchen decor video than Diwali? So that if you like any of these ideas, you can implement them if you would like to. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video now.
This is the current situation of my kitchen, and I have few plans which will instantly change the look for this kitchen for Diwali. Let's start from this side. I'm planning to put a self-adhesive PVC wallpaper on this wall which is behind the fridge, and I'm going to cover it till the sink area. This PVC wallpaper is very easy to apply. You just have to remove the peel and put it on the wall. I'm just going to put this wallpaper only on the area which is visible, not behind the fridge. Earlier I was using this Moroccan tiled pattern wallpaper, but I did not have enough rolls to cover the whole area. So we used this wallpaper which was for the entrance area. And I thought it was looking better than the previous wallpaper, and it was the right idea that we chose this one because it was looking very beautiful. And before decorating, make sure you have nicely cleaned the kitchen. So this is after we have installed the wallpaper on this wall. I nicely cleaned the kitchen so that I can decorate it for the Diwali. Here comes the favorite part of mine, which is to decorate any space. So here on this wall, I'm adding this 2-tier wall shelf. On the shelf, I'm just adding few things which will increase the beauty of this wall. From here, let's move to this side to decorate the top of the refrigerator. I'm keeping this artificial creeper, a terracotta bottle, and this is the lid of a ceramic casserole. Just keeping it here so that it can be used and also making the space look more pretty. From here, let's move to this side of the corner. I'm hanging this key holder to hang the oven mitts and kitchen towels. Here in front, a big wooden stool for keeping the water dispenser. On the bottom shelf, keeping the ceramic casserole set one over another. And I have just shown you that I have used the lid of the big casserole on the fridge for decor. On the back, I'm keeping the small stool which is from IKEA because I have a kid and he uses it quite often whenever he wants to get something to eat from the top shelf. Whenever you decorate such spaces, make sure along with decor you're making that space functional as well. Like this key holder which has decor element and also functional for hanging bags, apron and other kitchen items. And also the decor is important to make any space look pretty. Keep things related to kitchen. If you have such spaces in the kitchen, you can definitely use these ideas to add decor with functionality. From here, let's move to the sink area. This time I thought I'll put the curtains on the glass window and door. Using these command hooks because I was not sure, and if I would really like it, I'll make the permanent arrangement for this. Meanwhile, these command hooks are doing their job perfectly fine. Used this printed pink color chiffon cloth which is very subtle and soothing to eyes. I was shooting this video during the daytime, and because of sunlight you might not getting proper view of how it's looking. I'll provide the night clips also so that you can have a better view. Keeping the basic stuff related to dish cleaning, and in the corner a live plant in water. So here in this area, I used to have a shelf to keep jars and decor, but this time I thought I'll not put any shelf, just simply going to keep kitchen related frames on the wall to decorate, to make my kitchen look more beautiful. I have some DIYs for this wall makeover. I have taken these old wall frames and used the magazine cuttings, pasted them with the help of decoupage glue, and my frames related to kitchen are here. I haven't spent any penny on buying them. Simple DIYs sometimes really make the space look very beautiful. Now let's move to the countertop, which starts right from here. In the older video, you must have seen that this microwave used to be in the dining space, but for the change I kept it here. I use this stand as it has a shelf, so I'm keeping few mugs which one can use from here for coffee or milk. This wicker basket at the back which holds all the fresh kitchen towels. And in the front I'm using this ceramic tray to keep these coffee, sugar and tea containers. So always try to make the best use of any space. Here in this corner, as I use this microwave overhead stand, which gives me the liberty to use the microwave without removing stuff from it. And also I can use this area above it for organizing my kitchen. Just on the right side of the microwave, I'm keeping this tray which holds mixer grinder along with the jars which we are using very frequently. Oven mitts, and this is done. Just next to this tray, I'm keeping this DIY leather towel holder. It's very easy to make it. For this, you'll need 7 dowels. First, I'm going to fix these dowels with the help of a silicone glue. Just follow all the steps which I'm showing right now on the screen. Let it air dry. If you want, you can use it directly on the countertop. And if you have a furniture stapler, just use it to staple all the dowels together so that it will last long. I just made it to beautify the countertop. It might not solve the daily purpose of hanging the kitchen towels, but sometimes I feel you should do what you like the most. I wanted to have it for a very long time, and this time I make sure I'll have it. Here on the corner, I'm keeping this spoon holder upside down, and on the top of it, I'm keeping this planter. I just tried to give this planter a height so that it can be visible. Using this bamboo basket for keeping all the kitchen staples at one place. all the cutting boards at the back, and here I'm keeping the slate so that sometimes according to mood I can write something here. A hot pot stand on the command hook, a cup for keeping all the knives, and here I'm using these wooden letter cutouts again to beautify my kitchen. अब दिवाली है तो इतना तो बनता ही है. On the chimney, I'm keeping this Eat signboard, which again is a DIY. I used an old platter, just painted it with a white acrylic color, and I'm using a PVC wallpaper and writing Eat on it. And with the help of a cutter, I'm going to cut the letters. Once the paint dries completely, paste the PVC cutout on it and your decor piece is ready. A clock and an artificial plant in a glass. On the right side of the hob, keeping a spoon rest and a slate to add decor. A rug in the kitchen because it's very important when you're working in the kitchen. Last but not the least, any decor of mine is always incomplete without the greenery. So here I am with the last DIY for today's video, using this extra cloth which is left from the curtains and using it to make this planter look nice. So simply wrapping it around and then I'll make the knot on the front and our DIY planter is also ready. I have this bracket on the kitchen entrance, so hanging this macrame planter and keeping our DIY planter in it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake.
So this is all for today's video, and I really hope you guys liked today's video. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.